Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Thursday, March 24th. Let's get right into it, man. Alright, so here we got the 15-minute chart. This is the weekly S2R, right? This is a key level, a level that's been respected multiple times, throughout the past. It's a weekly support back in 2021, and then it became a weekly resistance, this year in 2022. So one thing I've seen though was yesterday we had a clear break of structure to the downside right here. Clear, right? Clear break of structure to the downside. And now I think what I'm seeing is like a somewhat of a bear flag. So you could see it here. Let's just do it from this level here. Yeah, it looks like it's already getting respect right here. This golden zone ILC. I mean, the wick, I usually don't like to go off the wick. Usually don't like to go off the wick. So this is what I'm seeing right here, that there's a clear rejection, multiple rejections starting at 1 a.m. all the way through until most recently at about 4:30 we had another rejection right here. And it looks like it's somewhat building a support. Somewhat building a support right here. Right? And this doesn't go here. And now let's go to the 5-minute really quick. Like that. I'm gonna delete a bunch of these actually. Let me see. No, that's pretty key. I'll leave it something like that. But we could see that there's clearly a little this is a key level, right? Been used to support the entire time. Then we have yeah, I'm not gonna call it that. I don't want to get the chart too ugly, but what I'd be looking for is in this area here. Something about this area, right? We do know it's a supply and demand area. A little bit of resistance, a little bit of support. Like you can see it's in here, right? So one thing I'd be looking for is for it to come up above, use this level as support, and then push up to the upside, right? Where we could see a rejection down, or we see a break below, right? Come back up, use this lever as a resistance, and then continue down to the downside. Now me personally, I think I like this consolidation, expansion, reversal, and continuation down. So I think that's where I'm headed, is leaning more towards this trade, taking it out here. I think that's what we're gonna look for. See if there's anything on. Sheesh, right off a key level. Wish I would have took this trade yesterday. Damn it. 630. So we see this is rejecting this ILC right here. It's below the 50%. You know what? Let's get that one lined up. And I like this ILC right here as well. So I'll be looking at both of these areas right here. You can see it's kind of using the 15-minute 50 as a support as well. So we'll see. It's got about 4 minutes till open. Give me a quick second. I'm gonna use the restroom. Right, we got about a minute till open. Um, Let me see here. I think I like this NAS setup a little bit more, even though it's somewhat the same. And you can see it's kind of breaking below. So let's see what it does right here. This is key, right? Looks like it's using it a little bit as a resistance, right? Boom. Alright, I'm in there on a sell. Alright, I'm in there. Damn. Remember, this support is really a key level, right? So we got to see if it's going to break through this little key level of support. That doesn't look good. That looks like it's going to shoot up now. I might just close him. See how the next one goes. Okay. I mean, I like the strength, but there's still 42 seconds behind it, right? I'm still holding on to my positions. I have my stop loss at about 534, 535-ish, right above this wick. Oh. Okay, it's moving. I mean, it's broken it, but then it kind of hasn't, right? I think, yeah, I'm going to move my shit to break even. Yeah, I'm going to do that right now. I'm in at 520 and 515. Nah. I mean, if it hits it, it hits it, right? Wow. Damn, it got really, really close. I got my stop loss at 515. Hopefully it continues down to the downside. Yeah, I just don't like the volatility of it. So, I mean, I'm in here. Now let's see where it can go. Let's see if it could continue its momentum down. Yeah, so this is key right here as well. I'm going to label this out, this ILC. Key ILC right here that it needs to break, and it's somewhat already rejecting. My bottom position is pretty close to getting stopped out. Now let's see. No, dropped right before. Yeah, there's going to be a key level right here what it's getting into. I'll probably take a little bit of profit here. Just a little bit. It's getting close. Like I said, my stop loss on my bottom position's at 515. Then my top position's at 520. Well, 519 and 514.50. So any slippage or some shit, it'll kind of make up for it. Let's see. I mean, just gotta keep this momentum down. Wow. It's kind of not keeping that momentum down. It is staying under here though, but it looks like it has some momentum to the upside, right? Like it's getting pulled up. You see that right there? Well, let's see if it can stay down. I got 2.03s in there, and they're not moving much, right? We're only up about 20 pips, 25 pips. I might take some profits right here simply because of this ILC, just to secure something right on my bottom position. I want to take a 0.01 out. That's going to take me to $34 in profit. Now I have a 0.05 in there. And, you know, if I don't make anything, if this completely reverses on me, then I'll make, you know, 35 bucks on the day, 34.91. Whoa. You can see the buyers really seen that ILC, and it got a huge pump. And I think if this thing breaks above here, then I think it's coming up. It's gonna push up. Sheesh. I mean, it looks like it, right? Especially if it fully engulfs that candle, because there's a big bear candle right here. What, 491 to about 20 pip candle. And if this thing were to engulf it, then even the second one, if the second one comes up and engulfs this thing, then I still think it's pushing up. 30-minute ILC, 15-minute ILC. I mean, if they think this is a break of structure right here, which I don't think it is, personally, I don't think it's a break of structure, but yeah, that's basically a golden zone ILC. What do you guys think? Hey Johnny, if you're on here, whoever's on here, do you think this is a break of structure right here? This high being broken? Do you think once price broke above right here that this is a break of structure to the upside, or do you think it's still momentum to the downside? Serious question. So let me know what you think, because the rejection's clearly happening, right? It's clearly happening, but let's see. I like that finish. Well, not that finish. See, and that's why you gotta wait for the last, you know, second of the candle. It looks like momentum's still coming down, but it has to break through it, right? That's the next level we need to break through. If we can break through this, then we obviously got to break through this support. I could see us possibly taking it to this ILC right here. 117 pips, I'll take that. And, you know, I think that's something that could happen right to that ILC. So let's see if it has the momentum and strength to do that. Still rejecting it, right? That's what I don't like. There we go. Come on. Just force it down. Yeah, cryptocurrencies were kind of called out yesterday too by oh no way, by Jerome Powell. Wow. Okay, you still think, I mean, that right there, that isn't good. If this finishes like this, then that motherfucker's pushing up probably. Probably just got stopped out of my top position or my bottom position. Pretty close to getting stopped out of my bottom position. Oh no, top position's still good. Oh my God. Wow. I mean, I think it's gonna push up from here now. Let's see though. That's what it has to do, is reject this area, right? Support. Now it's kind of using it as resistance, but 6 seconds. It could still, next candle, boom, come up here and stop us out. Damn. Yeah. Got stopped out. All my positions. Don't tell me that shit's flying back down. That's kind of the bad thing when it comes to moving your stops to break even. I knew it was a little soon, but you want to secure profit. I seen some shit yesterday where you want to secure profits in the market before the market secures profits on you, you know? I mean, I still think it broke structure to the downside, but when I'm looking here at like the 5-minute and 15-minute charts, it looks like it wants to give us that, but it could be coming back up here. I'm not too sure. And that's what you hate to see, man. Damn. I was up about 160, 170, and yeah. I'd like to put a little sell. You know what? I put a little sell in right now. I'm in there on a sell. Let's see if it does it. I'm going to have a tight stop loss. Oh, shit. Never mind. Well, I'm in there at 521.55, so I'm down about 17 pips right now. But stop loss is right here. It's going to be right above this wick. You know what? Let's see. Man, that's a big push. Really big push. Breaking right above. I mean, should I just close out this position? Down about close to 30 pips. 30 pips now. Thinking about possibly holding, because I know it kind of broke structure right here to the downside. Wow. Now that I look at the 15-minute, I have the 15-minute up right here. Huge rejection. Huge rejection. I mean, I'm down about $150 right now. I don't think it's going to get any better. Wow, look at that. Alright, I put a little sell in right now. Let's see if that can do the trick. I'm doubling down on my shit right now. That's what I'm doing. So this right here is key though. If it breaks above here, this is gonna be my stop loss right here. 36 pips for both positions. That's gonna be my stop loss. Man, you know, I think I'm fighting this shit, but let's see. It broke structure. Damn, I feel like the volatility kind of disappeared on this shit too. So let's see. This is key right here, right? Even the 15-minute. Clearly the 15-minute. Damn, you know what? I think I need to get out of these trades. This, I'm up on the top position, like 5 pips, but I think what I'm doing is kind of going against what it's trying to tell me to do, which is use this as support and push up. Wow. Oh, shit. Use this as support and push up. Damn. That's crazy. Yeah, I think it's pretty obvious what it wants to do, right? Oh, shit. I mean, damn. Holy schmolies. That was kind of weird. I like it. Let's see if it could keep the momentum down, though. Ah. See if it could keep it. I'm up about $80 on my top position. I got in about up here. Oh, shit, son. Shit. Dang. We're up about, you know, a good amount right now. Holy shit. But it's not, uh, I got in at 540.60 and 521.55. It's really volatile though, so I'm not too sure how to read this thing in terms of keeping my position in. Ah, wow. Yeah, that's huge right there. I'm gonna move my stop to break even on, well, the top position for sure. 539. Bottom position, I'm only up about 9 pips, 8 pips, 5 pips. I think I'm gonna move my stops to break even too, just to, like I said, secure the position and let the market secure it on you. So let's see, man. I'm up about 140 on my top position and up about $40, $50 on my bottom position. Up about 111 on the day. Ah, using that shit as a rejection level. You can see that this is really a key supply and demand, right? We got resistance, resistance, support, support. This shit has to break through it though, and there's still 42 seconds. Wow. I don't know if I should be taking my profits right now. I think I might. Let's see. I think it's dependent on this candle for me right here. If this rejects up again on top of this area, I think I'm going to pull it. Still 15 seconds left. It can still do that. You know, this should be waiting for the very last second. Wow. I mean, I could see the exhaustion, right? I see the exhaustion right here, but also what I see is this supply and demand area. So we needed to break through this. Like, there's still 43 seconds. It could still come up and just shoot up on us. So, still, you know what? We'll just wait and see what this shit is talking about. Hey, good call on that, Johnny. I mean, like you said, you think it's still coming to the downside. It's still showing us love to the downside. I'm just not sure if it's gonna keep it, right? Make it still reject up on us right here. Oh, okay. That's a better finish right there. That's a better finish. Alright, let's see. This is the second time at this level. If it breaks it, it breaks it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So this is key right here, right? It has to break through this motherfucker. We're in the trade. Almost got stopped out. Let's see if it can make its move down. Let's go. Gotta break through this motherfucker. A lot of time left. Damn. Another rejection. I think I'm gonna close my bottom position and secure some profits. I secured what, 40 pips, 30 pips, and 30 pips, 165. That put me at 277 for the day. You know, I was at some point today I was cool with being good with 34 bucks for the day. I'm up 230, 220. Shit, that shit's flying up. Damn, I think that's it, man. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I think we gotta just listen at this point. Wow, that's crazy, dog. I mean, fuck. I think I'm gonna just secure that. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I gotta secure this money. I'm gonna get out of this trade. Wow. I jumped out of the trade. Damn, I was up 260 on that motherfucking position right now. Wow. And that's why we move stops to break even and get the fuck out. You know, damn. That's crazy, dude. Well, no way. Look at that rejection. This shit is so volatile right now, and it honestly just looks like it's consolidating, right? Sheesh. I mean, how does this look? I put it in another cell right now, but wow, can't believe that just happened to me right now. I jumped in again. I moved my, wow, fuck. I just got stopped out again. Don't know if I should take this. I want to catch this trade to the downside, man, but I just got stopped out at break even again. Let's see if it gives me something to hop in. Alright, I just hopped in again, even though there's 46 seconds left. I'm in at this is my last position. I'm up 395 on the day. I really want to catch this trade, truthfully. I want to catch the trade. But, you know, it's not really giving me an option so much. That shit got close though, gee. You know what? We did hold this one all the way through. Damn. I'm gonna trust it. I'm down about 15 bucks right now. I'm gonna put my stop loss just above this wick. And if it hits it, it hits it. I'm done for the day. Wow. Well, I guess I just gotta call it. Yeah. I just closed it out, lost $89. Yeah, fuck it. I think I'm gonna walk away. I really wanted to catch this trade to the downside, but you know, it is what it is. Still showing rejections at that area too. I think what it might do now is possibly come up to our area, right? Maybe it did break structure. Maybe. I just jumped in again, even though I might regret it. And this is for sure my last position. I'm done for the day after this. I'm so strong on this bias that it's coming down to the downside. I mean, let's just see if it does. I'm in right here, so I'm in at 28.10. See if it can hold some weight down. Damn it. Has to break through this 1 minute 50 EMA. If it doesn't, then, you know. Still 30 seconds left. Still a lot of time left on the clock. And, you know, if it doesn't break through again, then it's, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Again, I'm in at 28.10. I'm going to move my stops to break even. I'm up about 15 pips, 18 pips right now. I'm going to put it at 27. Another key level right here. Let's see if it can hold its weight. Alright, last position. If it doesn't break through this motherfucker right here, I don't know what to say. I took a loss right here too. I'm just putting this up. I don't know exactly how the loss was, but let's see if it can break through this motherfucker. And then right here. Stops are at break even now. Up about 30 pips, 40 pips almost. And this is key right here. If it doesn't break through this motherfucker again and flies up, I'm pulling it quickly. I'm up about 200 bucks right now. Right? So I could close this position out and be okay, but I really want to keep this trade going to fruition, right? Like, that's my goal. This shit has to come down. Oh my God. Bro, you gotta be shitting me. If it does it again, then it's really just consolidating and fucking with us. Wow. Just stay down, dog. Stay down. Got 10 seconds left on the clock. Just stay down. There's the last shot right here. Just need this motherfucker to break through. Come on, dog. Wow. You know what? I just gotta. It is what it is at this point, right? Like, it's respecting the shit out of that. I can't believe how much it's respecting the shit out of this. Like, it's irking the fuck out of me. Yeah, this is it. If it comes back over here, over this level right here, I'm gonna just pull it and be done for the day. Truthfully. I just don't know why it's consolidating like this, dog. What the fuck is happening today? Wow. I can't even believe this shit, dog. Just got stopped out at break even. Are you fucking kidding me, my boy? Oh, I should have pulled it. I got stopped out at break even and I made $4 when I was up 200. Fucking wow. I mean, if consolidation was ever a motherfucking thing, right? That's crazy, dog. Can't believe that just happened. Knew I should have pulled that motherfucker. It's still rejecting this. Remember, this is the 50 EMA on the 15-minute chart. Look at the 15-minute. This is what I'm seeing, or what I've seen. All these rejections off a key level, key ILC, more rejections, right? Then a complete fall off engulfing the past. literally the past 14 hours, right? I think if my math is right. And that's 4 plus 7, 11 hours, whatever the fuck. This candle completely engulfed this candle right here. But what I'm thinking is this was the breaker structure right here. It was. And now we see price making its way up top, up here. You know, truthfully, I thought I seen like a bear flag forming, all this, right? Everything was showing that price was going to fall down at this point. And yeah, look at this shit. I mean, there's still 11 minutes, but it looks like this thing's basically going up now, right? Maybe up to this point here, up to this ILC, where we could catch a sell to the downside, but that shit just irks me, my guy. Especially when you know you could secure it, when you should secure it, and you don't. That shit irks the fuck out of me. Man, I hope you moved your stops to break even. You know, that's why you do it. That's why you have to do it. Move your stops to break even. I mean, look at this 5-minute. Now this 5-minute candle has completely engulfed all this bullshit here. Now it's probably going to come back, use this ILC, either this 50 EMA or this 50 EMA as a support level and continue its push up. I think we could jump into some buys, but I don't want to keep trading, you know what I mean, and be like get lost in the sauce and all that bullshit. So damn, I just can't believe that shit happened, bro. That shit's nuts to me. Look at how ugly that shit is. Oh, it's just gonna continue its way up. Wow. Can't believe that shit happened, though. Talk about fucking wow. Well, I guess I closed this position, this bottom position right here, somewhere around here. Remember, I closed it. That secured me some dollars. And this top position up here, somewhere up here. Yes, it actually was somewhere right here. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go over my orders again, but damn, can't believe this shit happened, dog. No fucking way. Yeah, you can see that thing has a lot of momentum to the upside now, right? This is key, right? Because it has to break through this. If it doesn't, well, both of these levels. If it doesn't, then it's looking ugly, right? See how it's using it somewhat as a support level, right? Rejecting it. Now we could see it. If it finishes like this, we could see the next one do the same thing and then push up. Well, when I say the same thing, wick out, and then before it makes its move up. But this looks kind of good right here. Double tweezer top, right? Only thing is, it looks like it's pushing up. And if I put a sell in, it's going to be up from up here now. You know, I think this does probably come up here. But we'll see. What I think it is, you know, I'm a conspiracy theorist myself. You know, I think a lot of these brokers work intact with market makers and figure out stop losses, and you know, stop hunting is a real thing in my opinion. So you can see it rejecting. Basically, it's tapping the 1 minute 20 EMA, but there's also the 50 EMA right here as well. Rejecting that, right, for the 15 minute. That's a good way to finish. What will get me mad is if, and there you go. Now it's using the 1 minute as a resistance to support, or as a support level. I mean, this is a prime example of, you know, why I get greedy sometimes. And where I have to figure out how to hold on to trades longer when they're going to fly down 500 pips, 800 pips, or when to take out trades sooner when you're expecting 100 pips and you get 40 pips, right? I just want to see what this shit does right here. Wow. That motherfucking man. Wow. I'm gonna jump in if it comes back and retest the EMAs from the bottom, from the backside. This is a key level, right? Yeah, I'm gonna get off this shit, Johnny. I hope you finished in profit for the day. You know, with good money management, I was able to, I'm up 341 on the day. Uh, I'm just mad, that I left a lot of money on the table by not pulling positions at this key level, right? And you can see it's already kind of making its way back up. But it looks like it's kind of just consolidating, and I think it is going to make its move, probably soon. Before we do, I think we had, wow, mass shooting. That's insane. We had unemployment, which was a lot less. I'd seen that. Yeah, I think really what's happening is probably just unemployment numbers are better than expected. FOMC members spoke already. Everything, all the news is basically good, right? So it's kind of showing you that all the news is good. Blah, 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 blah. So it's kind of just using that. Man, I kind of want to take this sell. Wow, I wish I would have taken it. That's what I wanted to see it do, was come back up and retest. But all right then, Johnny, I'll get with you, man. Have a good Thursday, and we'll be on tomorrow, bro. Hopefully you're able to profit some dollars on it today, and just see what we can do tomorrow. Another day, another dollar. All right, man. You have a good one.